Illegal immigrants in Kangdok state asitagi Tangdok Tringaida delimitation gi thabak paikhat pahaibasi hojik oriba phibam asida sunaba oiroi haina Manipurdagi Rajya Sabha gi MP Maharaja Sanajaoba Semana Parliamenta Center gi pungning singsinkhrai Sathariba Parliament mifam dangasi 0 hour gi khudong saba lawraduna isu asigi matangda Rajya Sabha da pukhatki MP na phongdokibada state asigi hojik oriba law and order gi phibam asida lairiba constituency sing semdok pahaibasi sunaba oiroi Kangpokpi, Tengnopal, Sandel, Surachanpur amasung Fairjol district ta kumja lising masamapan humpumapan da kulmasing satret ka kuntrama thoi lerambadagi lising ani kunmari da lising amaga satruk kunmari da khangen hengalakhe maung ta da phibam da hauki basahi yankhai da sa da samaga kunithoi gi sang da yamna hengalapa oikhe adumoinamak naga sing na khundaba mafam sing da di sa da mapan khakki sang da kulmasing samanga ga kuntaretage samanga ga humbudra taruk khakta da hengatke Asuk sauna kena basina akaknaba community amana illegal infiltration tawduna political gi khudong saba launa ba honor ali haiba taklei MP na makha taraduna illegal immigrants singna iho hova Indo Myanmar ngamkhai gi khudong saba lauduna electoral politics ta ithilpi na ba honor ki maramaduna kumjal sing ma samapan yankhai ma thoina vesier orega state asida National Register of Citizens NRC sanahanduna delimitation tawdringai illegal immigrants sing state asidage thangdokhina ba center da takshin ki Loine Karigumba illegal immigrants in Kangdok to state aside Tangdok Travade, Manipurasi Satiba demographic imbalance ama Mayok Nagani, Masina, Masagi Maram Damda, indigenous communities singi, Tungi Punchida Sound Singaba Pirakani Haina, MP, Maharaja Sanajaoba Makhataki.
The abnormal and illogical increase of villages in Kangpokpi, Tenopal, Sandel, Surachanpur and Fairjol district since 1969 to 2024 is since 731 to 1624, an abnormal jump of 893 villages, that is 122% in about 50 years. Sir, in contrast, the Naga-dominated areas, the increase is a mere only 9% increase. The illegal immigrants are trying to penetrate Indian administration. They are also playing electoral politics through illegal infiltration by taking the advantage of porous Indo-Myanmar international border. Before proceeding further for any kind of alteration like delimitation process in the existing electoral constituencies, it is mandatory to detect the illegal immigrant first by implementing NRC with base year 1951 and deport them to their respective countries. This will be the only logical solution, otherwise the state of Manipur will have a huge demographic imbalance and the indigenous people will suffer a lot in their own homeland and their questions of future existence will be uncertain and gloomy.